new VW Golf R has been revealed, and here you can see the interior. It is ergonomically tailored to the driver and exclusively refined in the R style. The driver and front passenger sit on top sports seats with integrated head restraints. The infotainment system's hardware and software have been revamped and feature the largest display offered by VW, diagonal of 32.8 centimeters. Operation has also been significantly improved thanks to new graphics and fresh menu structure for the touch display. The Golf R model is equipped with the enhanced Digital Cockpit Pro as standard, with display diagonal of 26 centimeters. In addition to the classic views available in other models in the product line, the Digital Cockpit Pro in the Golf R offers an enhanced sports skin featuring a central round rev counter with R-specific design, as well as the R view with the horizontal RPM display. Tell me in the comments, how do you like the interior of the new VW Golf R?